Unraveling, sort out the details, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very useful and common English phrase, sort out the details. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also improve your ability to communicate effectively in various situations. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of sort out the details. Sort out the details is a phrase that means to organize, arrange, clarify, or resolve the specifics of a situation, plan, or problem. It involves examining and arranging the finer points or aspects so that a clear understanding or solution is reached. This phrase is often used in contexts where planning or problem-solving is involved. Sort out. This part of the phrase suggests organizing or arranging things that are mixed up or unclear. It implies separating things into categories, making decisions, or finding solutions. Details. These are the small elements or aspects of something larger. Details are often crucial for understanding the whole picture or for completing a task correctly. Together, sort out the details emphasizes the process of dealing with these smaller, yet significant elements to achieve clarity or progress. 1. In a project meeting, before we launch the project, we need to sort out the details of the timeline and responsibilities. 2. Planning an event. We've decided on the date and venue, but we still need to sort out the details of the catering and decorations. 3. In personal planning, we've agreed to go on a trip together, but we need to sort out the details about accommodation and flights. These examples show how the phrase can be used in professional, casual, or personal contexts to indicate the need for further organization or clarification. Understanding and using the phrase, sort out the details, is important because it signals a move towards action and resolution in discussions or plans. It shows an attention to detail, which is often critical for success. It facilitates clear communication, ensuring everyone involved understands the next steps or requirements. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, sort out the details, better. Remember, paying attention to and being able to communicate about the finer points of plans, problems, or situations can make a significant difference in achieving your goals. So, next time you're in a planning meeting or discussing a project, don't forget to use this phrase to your advantage. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English learning content.